Hi guys, my name is Samuel Camacho and this is a project for Miss Montero's class. No, I'm not talking about my dog, I'm going to talk about the eastern meadowlark. The weight of the bird is 95 grams. Their length is from 19 to 26 centimeters. The family of the bird is Ixtare, and the species of the bird is Cirilla manga. Their habitats are farm fields and wet fields, which is basically like farm fields but wet. It's the same thing. These birds prefer to live in eastern North America and normally live there too. The same animals that live in the same area as the bird is the red fox, gray fox, American beaver, and the American porcupine. And the plants that live in his habitat is the mugwort and the chickweed. And do you know what's their ecosystem? Those are grazed pastures and grasslands. And do you know their diet? Not bad. They're insects like beetles and grasshoppers. So it's a carnivore diet. In their life cycle, their nesting periods are 10 to 12 days, and they live at least 8 years. Their behavior is nice, and they normally stay on ground. And they need food and water to survive, of course, like everyone. Are they endangered? No. Matter of fact, the population is increasing. Finally, fun facts. They're common on the summer east, but rare on the summer east. And they're known for their flute-like melody. That's it, guys. That's all about the eastern meadowlark. And I would like to make a project on my dog.